This is oh. Steve not only cooks, but he does the dishes. One of his many talents. We finished Thanksgiving already, but we just wanted to thank you for the lovely table. And the chairs, we determined the chairs are 160 years old. And your great-grandkids, Zachary and Alex, sat in the chairs. They were very excited. If you'll take a look around, this is our patio room. Uncle Joe, please come quick. All the repairs that you see need to be done by you. And we have here, from the Colette Inamata collection, a lovely candle holder, which we have yet to hang up, but will go on this back wall. It's going to go with our fireplace. And the painting that you did
very nice.
Goes with the painting that my mom got from one of her clients' house. So that's going to go on the back wall with Colette's stuff. So as soon as we finish, or as soon as Uncle Joe comes to us, we will get on that right away.